Hello YouTube family, it's Minnie here. Thank you for joining me today. I can't believe it's already April, and I wanted to show you guys everything I made a month of March. And it actually has been all crochet stuff. I have really been loving to crochet lately. If you guys want tutorials on any of these things that I've made, let me know. I can make one. Let's get started. I'm going to start with a hat, a winter hat. I used 100 grams of yarn for this. I actually wanted to make a adult size hat, but I didn't have enough yarn and I only had one skein of yarn. So I think this is gonna be like a toddler size hat. And I love this little pom-pom I got from Hobby Lobby. So yes, the first thing I made is this hat. And then the next little things I made are these little scrunchies. I have about 3. I actually made a couple more, but my daughters are wearing them already. So I have them kind of package them up a little bit so that this can be like a quick gift for their friends and, you know, anybody. So next thing I made is this water bottle holder. It has a very long strap so that I can wear it crossbody. We go hikings a lot, so it's kind of hard to carry the water bottle on your hand. It's kind of hard on the wrist. So I made this to put my water bottle in, and I can wear it as a crossbody. The only thing is it's this spot right here where the strap is coming out of the bottle. That is where most of the weight is carried. So I feel like next time when I make this, I will make like a wider strap. And I have been using this since I made it, and I made this beginning of the month. So this thing was really handy and useful and makes a really nice gift too if you know someone who carries their water bottle and goes hiking. So that is the second thing I made, and I had some leftover yarn, so I made this a wristlet kind of keychain. I think I made one of these last month too, but that ended up being huge. But this one worked perfect. And I like the jasmine stitch on this one because, you know, this will hold a lot of weight. So I'm very happy with this one. Now with the leftover yarn, so this was also 100 grams of yarn, these two. I made this little kind of like a cable cord organizer. This one's not all the way complete. I have to add a little button to this. But this one here is a completed one, and this is you know, I would put a button over here, and I did a little bit different on this one. I did a different stitch to where the button part would go compared to this one, because this one's really hard to achieve, like a hole in the middle of the jasmine stitch. So how this would work is that you would you have your cords, wires, and then you would just wrap this around your cord and have it all organized like this. So that's the idea. And so I have to add a button on this one. I'm still making the button. I don't have it ready yet. So that's why this is kind of completed, but not completed yet. But I wanted to show you guys what you can make with 100 grams of yarn. And then one more thing I made with the leftover yarn is half of the cup cozy. Now, I've seen a ton of cup cozy videos, but it wasn't really anything exciting until I saw the ones that had like ruffles, and then I'm like, okay, I need to make one of these. So I'm using it on my little holder cup on this one, but it's basically, you know, would go on any cups that you drink out of. And then I made these little ruffles, and then so that is the scrap yarn from this project. And then now I made a handbag with this color, and that's what I'm gonna show you next. The last thing I made. This is the handbag here that I made with the cotton yarn. I love this color. This is like, I think, my favorite color. It is a small handbag. It's gonna be cute for like little tweens and teens. I think the next time I make this, I'm gonna add a little button here, like a pearl button closure. But this was really fun to make. It's not lined yet. I think the future ones I'm going to line them, but this was so much fun to make. And I could also add like little butterflies or flowers on there, a bow. I think a bow would be super cute too. So that is, I think that's all I made. yes, that's pretty much everything I made or I crocheted in the month of March. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye for now.